Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss second sum of chapter Progressions, class 10th, topic GP. That is fourth sum. So what they're asking? Write three terms of GP when the first term A and the common ratio R are given. So here A value, that is first value, T1 value is given as 1 by 64 and R, that is common ratio, given as 2. We need to find next three terms of the GP series. First write down what to find. Okay. Write down general term of GP. That is AR squared, so on, AR power n. Okay. As I said in the previous video that if we know first value, that is T1 and common ratio, then we can find any term in the given GP series. So we have both, right? Then we can find any term in the given series. So what is T2? This is A already given. AR is T2. That is second term. So 1 by 64 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 32. T3, AR squared, that is 1 by 64 into 2 square, that is equal to 1 by 64 into 4, that is equal to 16. Okay, now T4, AR cube, that is equal to 1 by 64 into 2 cube, 1 by 64 into, it is 8. So 8 by 64 is 1 by 8. Therefore, the next three terms are 1 by 32, 1 by 60 and 1 by 8. I hope you understand this sum. Please subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we are going to cover the further sums. Thank you for watching.